Today we're walking through Colegiales, one of Buenos Aires' quieter and lesser known neighborhoods. Sits right next to Palermo, feels very different on the ground. It is located between Palermo and Belgrano, two of the more expat heavy districts of Buenos Aires. I'm going to start our walk in Mafalda Park, which sits right on the edge of Palermo, Hollywood, and Colegiales. We've got some parrots right here. Take a little break for that, for sure. Buenos Aires, beautiful city. Lots of parks in this city, although Colegiales might be one with a few lesser parks. Here's Mafalda, that the park is named after. The big question is Colegiales still affordable in 2026? Let's take a look around and find out. I know we said we are next to Palermo. We're kind of situated northwest. And I'll drop a map in the description if you want to take a look at where I walk to on this walk. It's a mostly residential neighborhood. Popular with the locals, but there are some expats living here. Definitely less touristy than Palermo. Coffee shop here. Continue down Condone Street. We are working our way across towards Belgrano. You can see this common theme throughout Buenos Aires. The streets are tree lined, lots of trees. It's one of the best parts about being in this city. Not going to see many high rises in this neighborhood, all low level buildings. Like I said, this is a local community, so there'll be a lot of dog walkers coming by, although we haven't seen any yet. Very quiet neighborhood through here. Again, you can see how beautiful these trees are lining the street. Nice big mature trees. This neighborhood is very appealing to commuters going different parts of the city. It is quiet but has great connectivity. We are making our way towards the Subay station now. There is a train that will connect the city, and the station is right here in this neighborhood. Okay, one street up and we'll be at the train tracks. Look at this beautiful street here. They do love their soccer. Here's a couple flags featuring Messi and Maradona. You're going to need to know those names if you visit Argentina. This is a more affordable area than Palermo and Belgrano, which it borders. But you gotta love the peace and tranquility of it. Just like that, we made it to the park, situated right by the train tracks. So we have taken you from Palermo, the edge of Palermo, Hollywood, through Colegiales, and right back where you can hop on a train and get back over there or other parts of the city. Check out this old Volkswagen Beetle here. That's seen better days. Very nice neighborhood. Would you stay here if you came to Buenos Aires? Would you live here? I think with that, we're going to call it on this little neighborhood walk as we come up on the train station now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.